So I'm a little bit late starting this, but I have arrived here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I am currently waiting at the rental car place. I've been here quite a while, like an hour. Dude, where's my car? Anyway, I'm super stoked. Everything made it here safely. I checked my Onewheel and checked baggage. I just threw it into this bag and everything got here safely. So I'm super stoked on that. All I'm doing now is waiting for my rental car, and then I'll head over. Actually, I'll probably stay here in Charlotte for a while, discover the city for a little bit, and then I'll head down over to Float Life Fest. So I'm super excited. I'm just waiting for my car, so I think I might do a little bit of tricks out here in the parking lot while I'm waiting. The biggest question of the day is, dude, where's my car? I don't know, dude. Eventually, maybe I'll actually get in a car. Till then, I told him I'd stop wheeling around if you bring me a car. Anyway, I ain't trying to be yelled at. So I'll keep acting like I'm ready to get in a car. Is my car? Is it? Oh yeah, look at the ride. Oh, this might be better than the Onewheel. I don't know. It's a tough call. Nah, for real. We're about to get our car. Hopefully. Do a 360. Always having fun with the Onewheel. Even when you're waiting for a car for an hour and a half. I'm waiting for my car, man. They're teasing me with cars here. They go, Andrew, you have a car. Can I come over here? Dude, where's my car? Well, no car, back to tricks. Beautiful day here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We out here, Charlotte, North Carolina, doing push-ups, training for Float Life Fest. We're gonna get a car eventually. We're about an hour and 15 minutes into the wait here. It's all good. We get swole. And here we go. The car has arrived. Special delivery. All right. Woo, it's hot in this car park. Hot, hot, hot. Gonna blast the air conditioning, and we off. Peace.